Get ready to be part of the most electrifying event of the year, 10th Pharma Supply Chain and Logistics Innovation Program. In an ever-evolving landscape, your expertise is needed to shape the future of pharma supply chain. Hands-on exhibitions, cutting-edge tech demos, we're bringing innovation to life. Get ready to dive deep into the future of pharma logistics. Mind-blowing insights, networking like never before. It's not about business, it's about building connections and having a blast network with industry leaders. Secure your spot at the conference that's rewriting the rules. Join us at 10th Pharma Supply Chain and Logistics Innovation Program. Limited tickets available. Reserve now.